Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Blast. Today we are talking about beautiful grey haircut ideas for women over 50 and 60. Grey hair is natural, elegant and full of personality. More women are choosing to embrace their grey hair and show its beauty with confidence. The right haircut can make grey hair look modern, stylish and easy to manage. Let's explore some wonderful haircut ideas. First is the classic pixie cut. This is one of the most popular hairstyles for women over 50. A pixie cut is short, fresh and very easy to care for. Grey hair looks bright and stylish in this cut, and it can highlight your eyes and facial features beautifully. Another great option is the layered bob. A bob haircut is always fashionable and works well with grey hair. The layers add moment and volume, making the hair look fuller and healthier. This style is perfect for women who want a neat and elegant appearance. The long bob, also called a lob, is another wonderful choice. It falls around the shoulders and offers a modern look. A long bob can be worn straight, wavy or slightly curled. It is easy to style and suits many face shape. For women who enjoy a softer look, a shoulder-length layered haircut can be a great option. The layers add texture and help grey hair look lively and full of movement. This haircut is also easy to maintain and works well for different hair types. If you have naturally curly hair, embrace those curls. Grey curls can look absolutely stunning. A layered curly haircut helps define the curls and prevents the hair from looking heavy. This creates a youthful and cheerful appearance. The shag haircut is also becoming very popular among women over 50. It features layers throughout the hair and creates a relaxed modern style. Grey hair looks beautiful with a shag haircut because the layers show off the different shades and tones in the hair. Women with fine or thin hair may love a blunt bob. This haircut creates the appearance of thick hair. The clean ends make the hair look fuller while keeping the style smiling and elegant. For those who prefer longer hair, soft layers can add shape and movement. Long grey hair can look graceful and sophisticated when it is healthy and well maintained. Adding layers helps avoid a flat or heavy appearance. One of the best things about grey hair is its natural shine. Using moisturizing hair products can help keep grey hair smooth and healthy. So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.